Hello and welcome to Sellers Commerce Uniform Market. This tutorial is to cover exactly how the App Store works and where you can find out which apps you have currently installed. We'll start off by going to the admin in the upper right. Here we have two areas to look at. The first, to see which apps you have installed, you'll go down to the module that says Apps. Once you click into there, you'll see the link that says Installed Apps. When we click into here, we can see which apps you currently have installed. If you'd like to remove them, you can simply hit the trash can icon here in the upper right to uninstall. Now, to see which apps are available as well as their pricing, we'll go here to the upper right where we see the App Store icon in light blue. We'll click into here and it's going to pop open a new tab showing you the different apps that Sellers Commerce Uniform Market have available. You can see all the apps that are available, shopper approved and so forth, preferred groups. Some of these are created by Sellers Commerce and some of these are third-party apps. If you look onto each one of them, you can see more information in terms of the pricing for installation and dig deeper to see what the monthly fee is for that. So if the monthly fee is determined by the vendor site, you would go there. To see a more granular breakdown, you can scroll down to the bottom and you'll see that we have a little graphic here that shows you exactly which app it is, what the setup fee is, what our charge is for the monthly fee for using it, and as well if there is a third-party fee or not. Obviously the third-party fees are done just by them. So for example, MailChimp or Constant Contact might bill you monthly and so forth and so on. One note is that preferred groups are $10 per group, but we do have tier pricing available for those who are on a more enterprise scale of the number of preferred groups. The Sellers Commerce monthly fee also shows you whether or not we charge a monthly fee or whether there's just a setup fee and then nothing after that. As we scroll through, we can see that there's a number of different options available. If you would like to have one of these apps installed to your store, please notify us at support@sellerscommerce.com and we can go ahead and add any one of these apps to your website. Thank you for viewing. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us again at support@sellerscommerce.com. Thank you.